everybody, I'm Daniel Ackman with the Queens Home Team, and we are in front of 22 Forest Street in Bushwick, Brooklyn, right on the border between Bushwick and Williamsburg actually. And this is a fantastic two-family with a duplex 3-bedroom on the first floor and basement, and then a 2-bedroom on the second floor. And you're definitely going to want to watch the video till the end because there's some really special features right at the end to show you. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so we're all masked up. We're going to check out the first floor apartment, which is a duplex, the first level and the basement. It's a legal basement. You've got 3 bedrooms here. Let's check it out. All right, so as you enter, you can see tile floors. Okay, you've got a nice spacious entryway. Behind you is actually the master bedroom. Let's take a look at that. So we've got the master bedroom here. It's a queen size bed, plenty of room for a king plus bedside tables, table lamps. That window faces to the outside. As you can see, very spacious. Got room enough for bureau, extra bedroom furniture. And then there is an ensuite bathroom, which I'll let you take a look at. Now that ensuite bathroom that attaches to the bedroom also has an entrance from the hallway, which is right here. You've got a hall closet here for linens and things like that. Let's move on into the rest of the apartment. So as you walk in, obviously you see a dining area here and a huge kitchen here with a great breakfast island. Stainless steel appliances throughout, great cabinets, and the living area, which has plenty of windows and opens out to the back of the apartment. Let's take a look outside real quick before we go downstairs. So as you step down into the back, you can see that there's parking here. This entire area is shared with the next door unit, but it is private parking. And you've got an entryway right behind here, nice wide alleyway. But you know, great space for either parking your car or for having an outdoor grill in the summer. Street parking in the area is actually surprisingly good. Although this is a pretty busy area, there is street parking usually readily available in the area right around this block. Come on in and we'll show you the basement level. Let's check out the downstairs. Down here we have 2 bedrooms, the mechanicals, and a bathroom. Now this is obviously currently an occupied property, but it is going to be delivered vacant. You do have a room here, it's currently occupied, so we're not going to go in there. There's a hall closet here. In here you have your mechanicals. And this is constructed in 2003, so everything is very, very new. All right, and as we continue this way, we've got a bedroom on this side. And of course, we have the downstairs bathroom right here. So that pretty much covers it for the first level apartment, which is the duplex, 3 bedrooms, 2 on this level, 1 on the upper level, 2 full baths. Now let's check out the upper unit and the special feature that I was talking about. All right, come on into this lovely upstairs apartment and to see the special feature. So as we enter this apartment, you have, again, another large kitchen with a great big breakfast counter. And of course, this amazing living room with 17-foot high vaulted ceilings. A very special feature, you don't see this very often. We haven't seen properties like this nearby. It's a really, really special thing. Nice large living room with plenty of light. This does look out onto Forest Street. Plenty of room for a nice big TV. And of course, a dining area over here as well. Okay, so now that you've seen the living space, let's look at the bedrooms and the bathroom. As you come down the hallway, the bathroom is on your right-hand side. Then you do have the smaller bedroom right over here. And finally, the larger of the two bedrooms, also with nice window right here. And that's about it. That is a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. If you're interested in knowing about rents, you can either speak to your agent, or if you're not working with an agent, give us a call and we'll give you the latest information on the market in terms of rents. But this is great for either an end user or an investor. Hope you've enjoyed the tour.